Hey guys, welcome back to Estrogen Express. In today's video, I'm gonna do this Bengali bridal look on a budget. So this video is dedicated to all those girls out there who are on a budget and do not want to spend a lot of money on a professional makeup artist for just one day. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. I'll start by applying moisturizer, and then for primer I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Master Prime Primer Plus Base. Then I'm going to start filling in the sparse areas of my brows, and for that I'll be using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil. Once it's done, I'm going to tame my brows with the help of the spoolie attached to it. With the help of a concealer, I'm going to slowly start cleaning the edges of the brows so that everything looks nice and tidy. Then I'm gonna start applying foundation to my forehead as I need to do the Chandan design. I'll be using the Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick, and I'm in the shade 27. With the help of a white eye pencil, I'm gonna slowly start outlining the design that I'm intending to do. So here I'll do a very basic design on my forehead as I'm not an expert in this. Now with the help of a white eyeliner, I'll be filling in the outline that I have just drawn, and for that I'll be using a toothpick as I believe this gives more precision. For the red dot, I'll be using the red liquid lipstick. I'll apply some concealer on my eyes before applying any eyeshadow. On my crease, I'm gonna apply this brown shade from my eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna try to blend it as well as I can. Now with the help of a concealer and using the finest brush that I have, I'll be cutting my crease. So basically, you need to draw a line like this following your natural crease line, and in case you have hooded eyes, you need to draw this line a little above your natural crease. With the help of a makeup remover, I'm gonna clean all the fallouts on my lid. Next, I'll be taking this concealer from Nykaa and I'll be applying this to the entire area below my crease so that I have a fresh canvas to start with. Next, I'll be applying this beautiful golden shade of eyeshadow on my lid. I'll take some black eyeshadow on an angled brush and try to draw a line similar to that of a wing, and I'll drag this towards the outer 1/3 of my eyes. Also, I'll not take this up to my crease but leave some negative space instead. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'm gonna be blending the black and the golden shade so that everything looks nice and blended. In the negative space, I'm gonna be applying the Blue Heaven liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Dust. I'll remove the sellotape and apply some fake lashes as of now, and I'll be completing the rest of my eye makeup later on. With the help of the orange shade from the Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette, I'm gonna be color correcting my under eyes and all the problem areas. Now I'm gonna apply yellow color corrector from the same concealer palette, and I'll be neutralizing the orange shade with the help of the yellow shade so that everything comes down to a peachy undertone. Now I'm gonna highlight some areas of my face with the help of the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm gonna be highlighting under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the chin. For contouring, I'm going to use the brown shade from the same Nykaa palette, and I'm going to be contouring the hollows of my cheek and on my nose. With the help of a beauty blender, I'm gonna be blending the lighter shade first and then go on blending the contour shade, because I don't want my contour shade to get mixed with the lighter shade. Now I'll be taking the powder contour from the Sugar contour palette, and I'm gonna be setting all the areas where I have applied cream contour. I'll take some translucent powder from Sugar and I'll be applying this to the areas of my face where I tend to sweat a lot and my makeup tends to crease. Now I'll complete the rest of my eye makeup. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna be applying the gel liner from Maybelline New York. I'm gonna complete this look by applying some eyeliner and a coat of mascara. On my cheeks, I'm gonna apply some blush from the same Sugar contour palette. In the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna be applying the highlighter shade from the same Sugar contour palette, and I'm gonna be using this highlighter to highlight the highest points of my face. On my lips, I'm gonna be applying the Miss Claire Long Lasting Matte Lipstick in the shade Cherry Red. I'm gonna set my face with the help of a Swiss Beauty makeup setting spray. And that is my completed look. Do let me know in the comment box below how you feel about this look. For your convenience, I have listed up all the makeup products that I have used in this tutorial in my description box. If you wish to recreate this look, feel free to tag me. My Instagram and Facebook ID will be mentioned in the description box. If you like this video, please take a moment to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.